Well, hello again, my friends. Today we are yet again in a volcanic black new school FJ44. The client actually owned the old FJ40 and he sent it to us to do the build. This is ICON FJ number 139 and it's chocked off full of good stuff, great options. So let's just jump right into it. Of course, we are running the General Motors LS3 6.2 aluminum fuel injected V8. That is sending power to the 4L65E automatic tranny, which in turn sends power out to the Atlas 2 twin stick shift on the fly part-time four-wheel drive transfer case. For axles, we are running our beloved Dana assemblies, custom built for us to our spec by our friends at Drivetrain. So in the rear, you've got a Pro Rock high pinion Dana 60, and in the front, you have a purpose-built heavy-duty Dana 44. Fine spline axles, ARB locking differentials, ICON Brembo sport brakes with the Hydro Boost Master Assist. Very nice brakes. Running the tunable Fox Racing and IBOC ICON Sport suspension. We're doing all the ICON blacked out machined aluminum exterior trim. We're doing the ICON black steel front and rear new school bumper system. In the back, obviously the tire carrier and the Jerry carrier. You've got storage bins inside of that bumper, and you'll probably notice in the images for this vehicle, we did the parking distance sensors in the front and rear bumpers. You can turn those off when you're off-road. Oh my gosh, that would be so annoying if you couldn't, right? We're doing the new school wheels with the weight balance center hubs in the back. In the front, obviously, those are not there to make room for the old school worn manual locking and unlocking hubs. On the inside on this truck, we're running a custom interior. So we're using this really nice, really great hand leather. It comes from our buddy Josh at Relicate, and then we perforate it in this small cross pattern, which works out really well. Lets you not only cool off a little bit better in the summer, but during the winter, it'll allow the carbon fiber optional 3-stage heaters to heat you up quicker. We're running the normal configuration in the 4 primary seats, so that's the forward-facing chairs, and then there's heat in the first and the second row. And then all the way back in the rear, we're running the ICON Retro style side-facing folding jump seats. What else? We've got the better audio systems, so we've got the Pioneer NEX generation multimedia head unit, so Bluetooth, CarPlay, CD, satellite radio, and all that good stuff. We're running the Focal K2 audio speakers, and then we have amp and we have bass. Amp is the Alpine. Bass is, I always forget, I think in the FJ we're still running the JL audio. Other than that, we have the ICON Sport pedals, we have the ICON fire extinguisher, we have the optional Viair air compressor that's built into the driver's rear quarter panel. We've got the Wern winch with the synthetic lead line and all of the recovery gear from our buddies at Viking and from ARB. A fully insulated soft top, the roof rack and ladder, the aux front and rear LED lighting, as well as the super crazy bright full width LED light bar mounted on the roof rack. We're also running those nifty Putco sort of Area 51 style headlights. I don't know, I always mention it, but then people seem to always still bring it up, so maybe they just don't make it this far in the video. Worst reviewed lights you'll ever find on the internet, seriously. But having tested them in a variety of environments out in remote areas, they are also, in my opinion, the best functioning LED headlights. So take that for what it is, and that's all I have for you today. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch these videos and listen to me blab on and on. If you have any questions, you can certainly reach out to us the old school way. The website is ICON4x4.com. The phone is 818-280-3333. And then, of course, on Instagram is ICON4x4. Thanks again. I hope you guys have a great day.